You guys just think this deck is yours. It's not. It's not yours, dude. Louie, no, Louie. No, don't do it. No. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Please. I love you so much. Come on, go. Go lay down. Go lay down. You can't get in my face. No. Come on. Okay. No, this isn't going to work. You guys need to go lay in your regular laying spots. Go take a nap. It's nap time. Mama's taking a nap. Go take a nap. Louie, no. No. Good morning. This is Linda from Another Time, and I'm continuing work here on the deck. And I've just been working on the frame and cutting some boards. I've got all these cut. I just don't have them screwed down. Well, it's warming up fast, and I'm probably going to have to go change my shirt. And for those of you that watch my videos, at least at the present, I'm not in flip-flops. So that could change. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of putting these planks down. I'm going to go ahead and do those, and then I'll pick you back up when I'm finishing up that framing, I guess. I'm using a piece of siding for a spacer bar. I'm running out of screws, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and go from, put a couple in at the bottom and a couple in at the middle. this way. Hi, Abby. What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing? Good boy. Kept those coyotes away. Coyotes were thick last night. They were screaming and whooping. And Azzy and Lucy just kept them away. They tried. They got really close. But when the other two puppies are bigger, then it won't be an issue at all. I mean, not that it's an issue now, because it's not. But I want my dogs to be a deterrent. I don't want them to actually get in fights with the coyotes, because coyotes can do a lot of damage and cause them harm. And I don't want that for them. Okay. Because I can't stand the heat. So I have the vent pipe back in place. I still have to go over the roof with it, but I've got the part so I can finish the deck anyway. And I've got all the boards cut. They're not all screwed down. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I have been out here all day long. I started this morning at around 7 a.m. and it's now, I believe it's about 6:30. So, almost 12 hours of work, but it does look nice. And no, I don't do it like everybody else, but it's okay. It's a cabin, it's my deck. It's just a cabin that would have been torn down because it's fallen apart. So, have a blessed day, and thanks again for watching. I thank you for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, I ask that you do that, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully we'll get this finished by then.